everyone. Today I'm going to start money market. So money market is simply the main function of money is economic system to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. So what is the work? Goods plus services. To exchange of goods and services is the main work of money. This is the main work. Okay. So what is the before that exchange of goods and services? In ancient time there was a barter system of exchange. There was a barter system. What is the barter system? There was no token currency. There was something like, if I have the food grains and you have the apples, then I will exchange both of them. That was the barter system in ancient time. So this simultaneous fulfillment of mutual wants by buyers and sellers is known as double coincidence of wants. Okay. So if for instance there will be a wastage of time in searching for the person producing required goods, and an opportunity cost of not being able to produce more goods in the time is spent and searching the person. Like if we are going for the barter system, then there will be we wants to give some, we wants to search someone for that. That is the time we consuming for that. That's why this simultaneous fulfillment of mutual wants is called the double coincidence of want. What is called? Double coincidence of funds. So this was the problem at that time. So okay, so therefore main purpose of money is to enable trade to be carried on as cheaply as possible in order to enable the maximum degree of specialization which encourage the productivity. That was the important for money. So function of money. What is the function of money? So money's function are many. Like one function is to unit of value. The unit of value. Money is a unit of value also. So unit of value. Okay. So money is the unit of value. Money can be used to measure the value of all goods and services. The value of each goods or services is expressed as a price. So what will be expressed? It will express in a price. Okay. So that is the value of money, which is number of monetary units for which the goods or services can be exchanged. So that can be in a rupees per unit of goods, measuring value in monetary unit. That is the primary work of money. Okay, the value of money is linked to its purchasing power also. What is the purchasing power? Like how much money I wants to go for to purchase something, some kind of goods or services. That is the purchasing power. Purchasing power is the inverse of the average or general level of price as measured by the consumer price index. So consumer price index is measured in the money. What is consumed by, that is inversely proportional to purchasing power. Okay. So purchasing power is the inverse of average or general level of price as measured by consumer price index. That is very important thing. It can be asked in MCQ, like CPI is the inversely proportion to the purchasing power. Okay. As a general price level increase, a unit of money can purchase as lesser amount of goods and services. Like if before I was purchasing 10 rupees 5 apples, now I will purchase for 10 rupees 4 apples, if the general price will increase in that case. So money will be useful unit of the value. Like money can value, the purchasing power of money decline. If money will be improved, then purchasing power will be decline. Like before that I was purchasing 5 apples, now I will purchase only 4 apples. Okay, now money as a medium of exchange. So second work is, what is the second work of money? Exchanges. So medium of exchange is also the money. So what is that? This function of money is too relevant because money is generally accepted by the people exchange for goods and services. That's why it is the advantage of money to be a medium of exchange, like what we are purchasing. Third is money as a standard or deferred payment. It is used as a standard payment. Standard payment and deferred payment. And deferred payment. Money used as a standard payment and deferred payment also, because if money perform the previous two function, then it may also perform the function of being unit. So that's why it's a standard and deferred or future payments also. Okay, so making future payments for the specific commodity is also the associated with the money. Now money is a store of value also. What is that? Store of values. Okay, that is also money. So that means payment that it may also perform the function of serving as a store of value. Like the holder of money are holders of generalized purchasing power that can be spent through the time. That's why it can be stored for the, like if I'm storing the money for the bonds, for the land, for the houses, for the asset development, that is the store of value of the money. Now definition of money. Legal definition of money is what? We are talking about the legal purpose of money. What is the legal definition? So legal acceptability by everyone, that is the legal definition of money. So the legal power to discharge debt. What I am in debt, if I am in debt, I borrowed some money, then that is the legal power to discharge the debt. And creditor cannot refuse to as payment of existing debt. Okay, currency being legal tender, so that is a legal tender also. Okay, legal tender. So that's why it's a called fiat money also. What is called? It called the fiat money. One is the fiat money, second is the legal tender. Both are important for the money. Okay, because it serves as a money on the fiat, like order of the government also. Okay, and if it is different than demand deposit of bank, which are fiduciary money, because they are accepted as money on the basis of trust. So that's why it's not fiduciary money. Okay, it's accepted as the money on the demand of the trust also. That's why. So like a check is a instrument that instruct the bank to transfer fund from the check issuer, and that is the check receiver. Okay, so that can be legally determined check also. Like no guarantee that a check will be honored by the issuer bank. So that's why in this, like we can say, like money is a trust between two persons, but check are different than money. Okay, however, apart from legal definition of money, other mode of payment like checks and credit cards may also be acceptable and function like money, but they are not as a legal tender as a money is. So that is the issue, what is important here. Okay, so got it, what I met here to make you understand. Now functions and definition of money. So functions and definition of money. Okay, function and definition of money. So by function definition, money will include all things that perform the four functions of money. What are the functions? Like anything that is generally acceptable in payment of debt and a payment for goods and services, that is the primary function of money. Okay, and then if a good is in fact generally acceptable in payment and generally used as a medium of payment, it is money, no matter what is legal status maybe. Okay, that second thing is that. So money supply includes the coins and paper money. What are that? That is the coin and paper money. These two are the money supply, and it's also known as a legal tender status. So that was completely about what I was wanted to discuss about money. Now narrow and broad definition of money. What is the like narrow definition and what is the broad definition of money? Narrow definition of money is based upon its medium of payment function. The broad definition of money try to extend the money category by including those assets that are widely used as a store of value. Broad means it is a store of value. Okay, and the narrow means that is generally for the use as a medium. If there is a medium, just I'm giving 10 rupees to someone to purchase some goods and services, that will be the narrow aspect of money. And broad, if I'm purchasing a car, I'm purchasing a bungalow, that will be the broad concept of money. Now I'm discussing about like classification of money. Classification is money is full body money. One is full bodied full body money. Okay, full body money is money whose value as a commodity for non-monetary purpose is a great as its face value as money, because non-monetary purposes are there, so its face value is great for the full bodied money. Most of the earlier commodity like gold, silver, cattle were as valuable for non-monetary purpose, that's why they was the full bodied money. Okay, so gold coin in a gold standard, silver coin in a silver standard, these are the full bodied money. Second is the representative full bodied money. Representative and full bodied money. So representative full bodied money, this type of money is usually made of paper. So paper money itself has no value as a commodity, but it's as a representation of circular, like if it's representing that I am like 100 rupees are carries 50 apples, so that is a representation of that paper currency. That's why as a representative full bodied money itself, it do not have any value, but in exchange its value will be increased. Its commodity value equal to the value of the money, that's why. Okay, now third is credit money. Credit money. Credit money is this refer to money whose value as money is greater than the commodity value of material from in which the money is made. Like money's value is more than the commodity's value, that is the credit money. Okay, so credit money is like a higher value as money, that is commodity value is maintained by limiting the quantity of money by preventing the free and unlimited transportation of the commodity into the money. So that is the credit money. The remainder of the supply of commodity is left for non-monetary purpose. So what is the credit money is a various form, like token money. Token money, like if there is a 10 rupees coin, there is a 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, or 1 rupees coin, they are the tokens. So these are the, like they are in the value of the metal, so they are the credit of money. Representation of token money is also the credit money. This is usually of the form of paper, which is effect of circulating warehouse receipt for token coins. Okay, so that is the credit money. Now if for example 50,000 worth of the representation token money is circulated as a paper money in an economy, then 50,000 worth of token coin will back it. Okay, so that is the reason, that is the credit money. Now circulating promissory notes. Promissory notes are what? Promissory notes are also credit money issued by central government, like RBI is the central government. So RBI will issue this money. The statement, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of X rupees. Whom? To bearer. Sum of X rupees. That is signed by governor of RBI. That's why the currency note reflect the promissory feature of notes issued by RBI. Now fourth is deposit of bank. Bank deposits. So bank deposits are also the credit money, because saving deposits claims of creditor against bank. If I saved something, then I will claim to the bank that give me that back that money, that what I transferred from the bank towards to me in means of checks can be that. So that is a deposit in the bank. Okay, now Indian monetary system. So this is all about the money, function of money.